morning, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new card making kit. This one here is our Summer Sonata card making kit for February, and it is a beautiful shabby chic style kit and has got everything you need in here to make these 6 cards. All you need is a ruler, trimmer, scissors and some adhesive. So in here you've got our card envelopes, some bling, some ribbon, the 6x6 Summer Sonata pad and the Summer Sonata creative cuts. Let me show you the cards. So these are the cards. They're just beautiful shabby chic cards. Really sweet, really easy to just create a few layers. I have used some little foam mounts in mine, but that's obviously not necessary. Just really sweet cards for your stash. You can obviously, I've left off a sentiment on here altogether, but you could easily just whack a little happy birthday on there and how beautiful or whatever it is. Just have such an awesome day. I find these ones make really good thank yous. So if you just cut out a thank you from the cut apart sheet and pop it on there. So that's it. This is our Summer Sonata kit and we hope you enjoy. Thanks guys. Bye.